3 ways to control cholesterol naturally. Cholesterol is a fatty substance produced in the liver, and did you know cholesterol is actually vital for the body? With all the negative publicity about cholesterol, it is quite surprising to find that cholesterol serves 3 main functions in the body, aiding in the production of sex hormones, acting as a building block for the tissues, and assisting in bile production in the liver. As said, these functions are extremely important for the general well-being of the body. Now you may wonder, then why do doctors insist upon keeping cholesterol levels in check? Curious to know more? Keep watching the video till the end then, as we share how cholesterol can become harmful for the body and in what ways you can control cholesterol naturally. But before we hop into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We produce new videos every week. When does cholesterol become harmful to the body? When we talk about cholesterol, there are 2 types of cholesterol present in the body. LDL or low density lipoprotein and HDL or high density lipoprotein. These are made up of proteins and fat and are responsible for maintaining cholesterol levels throughout the body. LDL is also known as bad cholesterol and HDL is termed as good cholesterol. Now, why such discrimination, you ask? Excess levels of LDL lead to hardening of the arteries. LDL causes plaque accumulation on the walls of the arteries, which narrows the blood vessels that causes strain on the oxygen-rich blood flowing through the body. It also increases the risk of the formation of blood clots, which can potentially cause stroke or heart attack. On the other hand, HDL actually helps in keeping the cardiovascular system healthy, one of its biggest functions being the removal of LDL from the body. HDL carries the bad cholesterol to the liver, where it is broken down and eliminated from the body. According to studies, it has been observed that an increase in the HDL levels in the body can protect a person against the risks of heart attacks and stroke too. How to control cholesterol naturally? According to the National Institute of Health, LDL should ideally be less than 100 mg per deciliter, whereas HDL should be 60 mg per deciliter or higher. Now, if you are wondering how to maintain your cholesterol level naturally, then here are some measures to follow. Number 1. Diet. We all know how diet is important in maintaining the general well-being of the body. Tweaking some minute changes in your daily diet can actually work wonders in maintaining your natural cholesterol levels. Reduce consumption of saturated fats. Consumption of red meat or full-fat dairy products should be reduced to prevent the rise of LDL levels in the body. Eliminating trans fat. Trans fat is generally labeled as partially hydrogenated vegetable oils on food level and is specially found in margarine and store-bought cake, crackers and cookies. Consuming foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon, mackerel, herring, flax seeds and walnuts. Omega-3 fatty acids also provide other health benefits including reducing blood pressure. Consumption of soluble fiber. Oatmeal, Brussels sprouts, kidney beans, pears and apples helps in increasing the level of soluble fibers in the body, which helps in reducing the absorption of cholesterol in the bloodstream. Consumption of whey protein also proves to be beneficial in maintaining the natural cholesterol level in the body. Number 2. Exercises. We can never deny that exercising is beneficial for our body. According to studies, exercising even for 20 minutes a day can help in maintaining the cholesterol levels naturally in the body. Some of the exercises that are generally prescribed are going for a nice run or jog, practicing brisk walking for at least 15 minutes a day, cycling or swimming for half an hour, practicing yoga or performing a few bodyweight exercises, playing any favorite sports. Number 3. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If you follow a healthy diet and exercise daily but do not follow a healthy lifestyle, then we are sorry to say that it will be quite difficult for you to lower your cholesterol level easily. Abstain from smoking. If you are a smoker, then you will be quite amazed to know that upon quitting smoking, the risk of heart-related ailments reduces from 91 to 59% instantly. Try to maintain a healthy weight. An increase in weight can lead to an increase in cholesterol levels as well. Therefore, try to maintain a weight that is not harmful to your well-being. You should drink alcohol in moderation. It has been observed that drinking alcohol in moderation helps in boosting HDL levels, but it does not mean that those who are non-drinkers should immediately take up drinking them. Moderation is the key here, and excess consumption can lead to severe health complications. Now there you go, some simple measures that can help in controlling cholesterol naturally. With the unhealthy lifestyle we lead, it is quite common to suffer from problems caused due to high cholesterol levels in the body. However, making some minute and conscious changes in your daily lifestyle can go a long way. Hopefully, the video was able to solve all of your queries regarding maintaining cholesterol.